Hi guys, it's Anna from Hype Dance. Today we're going to be learning my tutorial to Demi Lovato's Confident. It's a beginner jazz routine. If you haven't been here before, make sure you hit subscribe. We're going to be doing more dance tutorials for you guys. Like the video, and in the comments you can let us know any requests that you might have. We're going to start today just by learning the routine, and then there's going to be a link to the video. You can go and try it with music after we've learned the whole dance. So let's get started. Okay, so we start by just walking. You're going to walk to the front for 2 and then to the side, so to your left. So you're going to start with your right leg. It's going to walk 1, 2, 3, 4, turn to the left, 5, 6, 7, and then on 8, you're going to go back onto that right leg. 8, bringing those arms up, and they're just going to cross just slightly at the top there. And I'm going to, once I've dragged that left foot in, just leave it with no weight on there so my toe is just placed on the floor. Okay, let's try that again. Starting with the right leg, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. Now in the music, what you'll hear is a bump-a-ch-ta-bump-a-ch-ta-bump-a-ch-ta-bump-a-ch-ta. And that's what we're hitting with our hips and our hands. So you're going to sink into your right hip. So to do that, I'm bending my right leg and just letting my hips come out a little bit on the right side. And with my hands up here, I'm going to be circling them and snapping. So I'm dropping my fingertips to the front, taking them all the way around to snap at the top again. All together, my hips are going with those snaps. It's going to go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. So just 4 counts, okay? Again, let's say we just did our step, step, it comes up, and it goes 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha. From here, what you're going to do, you're going to extend the fingertips and the arms. It's going to come all the way out and down. And you have 8 fast counts to do this. So as you do it, make sure you're really reaching every side you can, your whole range. And you're going to be sinking a little bit as well, just to get a little bit of extra range in that movement. So to sink, I'm just going to bend my knees. I'm going to arch my back a little bit, and I'm going to let my head go back too. So from here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on 8, I want to look back at the front. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's tie all that in from the top, and then we'll move on. From the top, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To hold that top, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. From there, you're going to be chassing to the side. It's going to go chasse, take it back. So just to break that down, it's kind of like you're galloping with your feet. Like I said, this is a beginner jazz combo, so if you've never done this before, that's normal. You're taking your right leg, it's going to step, then your left leg wants to come in, kick it out of the way, back onto that right leg, then it's going to go behind with the left, and back onto the right to start again on the other side. Okay, again, slow. That's going to go 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Good. From there, I'm going to take my right leg out. It's going to go hit, hit. So with this, you want to be up on a releve, so on the pointed toes, and you want to hit up top first, up top, and then you're going to come down sinking into your hip again on the right side. And your hands are just gonna go from level 1 down below, okay? So you just finished our chassé, ta, ta, chassé, ta, ta, and 1 and 2. Good. Then you're gonna go right, left, bring it all together in front. Awesome. We'll start from the top, just run that slowly together, and then we'll tie in some lyrics so you kind of know what to expect. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, push down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Good job. So let's tie that in, running it from the top again with some lyrics. Okay, from the top with lyrics, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, 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 relax down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It goes, it's time for me to take it. I'm the boss right now, not gonna fake it, knowing you go down. Something like that, anyways. Knowing you go down. From here, what you're gonna do, all your weight right now is on your right leg. You see the left leg slightly popped. So you're here, you're gonna switch your weight onto your right leg. You're gonna do push turn, push out to the side. When we turn it around, we're gonna come up onto a releve and swap sides. So again, we just brought it all in. So now it's gonna go push, turn, good. You're gonna step with the right leg, step right. This is gonna be a little prep for a kick. So you're gonna step right, you're gonna bend the knees slightly before you kick. The left leg's gonna kick up, kick. As you're gonna put that foot down, you're gonna roll the arms down, roll down. We'll try slowly again. We just did our ha, ha. Bring everything in. You're gonna push, push, turn, step, kick, roll, down. Now with the roll, I know it's confusing sometimes. What I'm gonna do with the roll, I'm gonna extend my arms out a little bit, then I'm gonna bend my elbows and they're gonna roll in towards me, as if I'm going, cheese. So it's gonna go roll, hit straight down. I'm gonna bend both knees, arch my back, shoo, here. Perfect. One more time, a little bit faster from down, down. Bring it in, we go. Push, turn, step, kick, roll it down. All right, nice. From here, you're going to bring both arms up and your right leg is coming in, like so. So again, you're kind of just swapping the weight, putting the left leg down, popping the right leg up. Same time, you're down here, arms are coming up to go back to this position we started with in the beginning. So you're here, whoop, there we are, and up. Now we're gonna do another 2 hip pops. 1, 2. From here, you're gonna quickly shuffle this right leg back, shoo, and pop the left again, okay? So again, really slow. Let's go from our push, turn, step, kick, roll it down, bring the arms up, and pop, and pop, switch, head. Nice. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pause a second. I'm gonna run it slowly from the top, then we'll add on when we get to the end, just so you guys can keep following up and the pace isn't too crazy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up, and a hip, pop, hip, pop, hip, pop, hip, pop, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, good, strike the hip, ha, ha, right, left, all in together, push, turn, step, kick, roll it down, bring the arms up and hit, pop, back, head. Awesome. Moving on. Remember, if this is going too fast for you guys, just pause it, rewind, and keep practicing. Okay, so we went hit, head. Now I have my left leg popped. It's going to start to travel back. I'm going to use my opposite arm to push away. So it's going to look like this. Push, push. Okay? With my supporting leg, so the leg that my weight is on, I'm going to bend it slightly, mainly because I'm very short. So the more I bend it, the more of a line, the more length I can get. So that's up to you. If you want to really bend and get a good extension, do that. If not, you can keep a straight leg and just do little ones. That's totally fine. So again, we just finished our here head. I'm going to use my right arm, left leg, slide, slide. From here, I'm going to again transfer my weight onto that right side, up, down. So you'll notice that in between that transfer is just straight up, so I can sit nicely into that hip again on the right side, okay? Let's just say we did our hip pop, it goes, and 1, slide, 2, up, down. Nice, we're almost at the end, so I'm gonna carry on until we get there, and then we'll run it slow. So we just went up, crossing those fists at the top, letting them fall open at the bottom. Now there's little pauses in between. You can go and run this with music after to figure out those pauses. Once you're here, I believe there's a pause here, and then you're gonna be moving just your right shoulder, and it's gonna go from back here with that hip to go front, yeah. And you can have as much kind of energy, fun with that as you want. It's a very simple move, so you know, you can kind of bring your own flavor to it. So again, you just went up, down, and 1, and 2, and last thing we're gonna do, you're gonna now shimmy from this position into a prep position for a PK turn. So, at the moment, I have my left leg popped. I'm gonna again transfer my weight onto that left side, taking my right leg, bringing it to the front. Okay, so let's just do the legs for now. So we just finished here with just our shoulder pops and transferring up onto the left side. So now my right leg's free to slide forward. My arms are gonna go from down into third position. So third position means my right arm is almost like it's holding a beach ball, left arm is out straight, and that's gonna be our third position prep. Right here. It went into a prep. Now we're gonna do a PK turn. So you're going to open up the right leg with the arm, open. Now what you wanna do is go up onto that leg, okay? And as you saw, when you go up onto that right leg, your left leg is going to come up into this position, okay? So I've gone out. As I go up, my arms are gonna come in. Up. And that was a really poor one, but let's do that again so I can really slowly kind of break that down. Here, up. Now you're gonna try and turn that just to the back, because just to do one, what you're gonna be doing is going open, up, travel that foot down, and usually you come back to a prep, but we're gonna kind of roll out of this one since it is beginner. So again, we're here. We just did shoulder, shoulder, prep, into open. Again, you're gonna swing this leg to the back. Yeah, once you're at the back, you want to let that toe travel down the leg. So if I'm here, I want to, as best I can, travel it all the way down till I can put my foot down. Once my foot's down, I'm gonna flick it around and I'm gonna roll out of it. And that's our end, okay? So I'm gonna let you figure out that last little roll part on your own. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine. You can have your own style completely. Just again, going back to that turn, because that is probably the most technical part of this whole routine. You're going out, picking up that position at the back, travel it down the leg. I'm gonna then open. So once I've traveled it down the leg, swinging around to the front, and I'm going to roll. You can do whatever you feel like in that moment, and you're finished. Okay guys, so let's run that slow, and then we'll go fast after that, and then I'll let you guys go try that. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up 8. Drop into the hip, hip, pop, hip, pop, hip, pop, hip, pop, shoot down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna push, turn, step, kick, roll, down, bring everything up, hip, pop, and then that's gonna swing back, head with this slide. Slide, arms come up, down, shoulder, shoulder. Moving into our prep for PK, turn, stepping out into a roll or whatever you're feeling. And the end. So starting from the top, again, a little bit faster, and then you guys can go put that to music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up 8. And a hip. Pop, hip, pop, hip, pop, hip, pop, shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chassé. Back, chassé. Back, flick up with the hip. Down, down, together. Push, turn, push. Turn, step, kick, roll it down, all the way up. Hip, pop, take it back with the head. Slide. Slide, up, down, shoulder. Shoulder into prep. For PK, and roll. And you're done. Good job, guys. So you can follow the link to our video where we're dancing it. Practice the moves. If you need to come back to this video, if you forget anything, come back, learn it, go back, practice, have fun, and let us know how you did in the comments.